Hi guys, I'm making slime right now. My first attempt is coming out good. That's how it looks. And you just need hand soap, salt, a freezer, and a stirring tool, which I'm using strong. And for the freezer, you're only going to need it for a couple minutes, like 7 to 10 minutes or 8 something, 8 minutes or I don't know, but mine is coming out really jelly-like. And you're only going to need salt for this, because salt makes it a lot better than just, it looks like egg yolk, but keep adding salt, and a lot of people try to use laundry detergent, but I do not want to use that right now because it's gonna ruin it. And for the freezer, I'm gonna put it in a couple seconds. So here we go. I'm just playing with this right now, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer right now. So I put it in the freezer. Now we just gotta wait. So if you have a timer, please use it. Put it for 8 minutes, so I keep checking on it for a while, and yeah.
Rainbow Sunshine is now Black Knight Doom Missile Terror Fireball.
So let's wait. So if it doesn't work and the 8 minutes is still over, or for you guys it's over, keep adding time. Add 2 minutes, add 3 minutes, to keep seeing that, to see if it moves a little like quicker, or so if you don't have time for this, I recommend you not to make it, because put it in the refrigerator. If you have a refrigerator and you put it in there, you have to wait 3 hours, 4 hours the next day. I recommend a fridge because so we're waiting. It's been 6 minutes. I can't see. It's barely been 6 minutes, and well, it's barely been 3 minutes, but still gotta wait. So see you in a second. So I just checked it like a second ago. It looks great and it's really working. I recommend this, and shout out to Soraya and Isaiah.
Everything's set to glow, but a new VK has other plans. Here for the can't miss event. Wicked World Neon Lights Ball.
So we have 3 more minutes to wait. So just keep checking on it, because I just checked it and it looks perfecto. 1 more minute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just kidding. So I hope it's working, and if it works, I'm gonna be doing this from now on. And if it works, you guys, when you first start it, only use a little bit, because it will, if it doesn't work, you're in big trouble because you used a lot of soap. If you only use a little bit of soap, I'm sorry for the stuff that's on my face. If you use a little bit of soap and it works, make more. You can. It won't mess up anything. You just kind of keep stirring. So we're barely getting into 1 minute and 59 seconds. So it works, guys. I'm gonna be back in a second and show you my slime. So guys, I just took it out of the freezer. I'm gonna show you my magic. I'm gonna show you how it came out. Come on. Shut up. It's just really cold, guys. So this is how it turned out. Like slimy stuff. It really works. Really fun slime. This is awesome. I've never made slime in my life. And yesterday, me, Sarai, and Isaiah, we attempted to make it, but it came out bad and it was just like messy. And this really worked. So like, it feels fun, and it's really like gooey, like real actual slime. Like, have you guys ever seen Kids Choice Awards? And if you have, I don't watch it. I went to one. My mom worked at one, and they actually have slime that feels like sort of the same. I think my mom brought like sort of a bucket home. Slime, I believe. She told me, but I don't know. And it's gonna be sort of sticky. It just feels so cool when you first take it out of the fridge. There. So the timer just ended, and wow, like, bummer. I already did it. And you guys should try and add more salt, because mine, I think it came out good, but it just needed more salt. I only added like a tiny little bit. So have fun. Shout out to Sarai and Isaiah. Try and make this. Comment down below or mention me in your video, and I'll probably be watching videos. And if I hear my name, I'll give you a shout out next time. So if you want a shout out, go down below and comment your name and tell me shout out or whatever. I will be doing shout outs, and I love the way this feels. If you guys try and make this, please mention me in the video so I could see how fun you guys had making this, and enjoy. Bye.